First up, the spoiler, or GT wing. That huge wing on the back isn't just for style. At high speeds, it pushes the car down onto the road, giving the rear tires more grip. That's why you'll see them on legendary cars like the Supra in RX-7. Ever seen flames shooting from an exhaust? That's anti-lag. The system keeps the turbo spinning by igniting unburnt fuel in the exhaust. The result? Loud bangs, massive flames in one of the craziest sights in car culture. That iconic psst sound comes from a blow-off valve. When a turbo car lets off the throttle, the valve releases excess pressure, protecting the turbo and creating the sound every car enthusiast loves. Next is the front splitter. It sits at the bottom of the front bumper and controls airflow around the car. It reduces lift and improves stability, especially at higher speeds. This aggressive-looking piece under the rear bumper is called a diffuser. It helps manage airflow under the car, creating downforce and improving grip without adding much drag. Want your car to look like it came straight out of Tokyo Drift? That's where Widebody Kits come in. They widen the car, allow larger wheels, and completely transform its appearance. Coilovers are adjustable suspension systems. They let drivers change ride height and stiffness, whether they're building a race car, a drift car, or an ultra-low stance build. Behind the front bumper, you'll often find an intercooler. Turbos heat up incoming air, and the intercooler cools it down. Cooler air means more oxygen, and more oxygen means more power. In JDM culture, wheels are everything. TE37s, Workmeisters, Watanabes. These aren't just wheels, they're icons. The right set can completely change the personality of a build. And finally, the exhaust. Whether it's a catback system or a straight pipe, this mod changes the sound, performance, and character of the car. Every enthusiast has their favorite exhaust note. So, that's 10 of the most famous JDM mods you'll see on cars like the Supra, RX-7, Skyline, and Silvia. Now you know exactly what they're called and what they do. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car content.